Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you another downtown apartment. Even though this video will be a little short, I hope you still enjoy it. So let's begin the tour. I'll start this video by first giving you a quick overview of the layout of the apartment. As you can see here, this is a 2-bedroom, 1,137 square foot apartment. The layout that you see here starts at $4,125, but the apartment that I'll show you today, it's on the 24th floor and it costs $4,400 a month. The apartment is pretty expensive. Eventually I will do videos in the future that do feature apartments that are more affordable. So I apologize for this high price, but downtown Seattle can get pretty expensive.
$1 million.
So let's start that tour by first checking out the closet. That's pretty ample closet space, enough for everything that you really need. Shoes, jackets, which is pretty nice. Moving on, we have the bathroom. I like the tiles. It's not too small, which is great. And then again, looking at the other closet, which has a washer and dryer. That is definitely something that you need. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that having a washer and dryer is amazing, especially after college, having to share a washer and dryer. Actually, I should cut this part out because I'm talking too much about the washer and dryer. Sorry. Moving on, we'll check out the master bedroom, which features its own individual bathroom. Similar layout as the other bathroom, not too small, which is nice. And one of the best parts of the master bedroom is it has a walk-in closet. I don't see that in too many units, so having it here is great. Otherwise, another great feature is the view that the master bedroom has. It's not 360, but it's still really beautiful. And continuing on, we have the other bedroom. A little bit smaller, still has an amazing view and looks out directly to the patio area. And it also itself has another walk-in closet. This is one of the features that I really like about this place. All the closet space really helps. In my personal apartment, I only have one closet, so having it here is amazing. And now we have the kitchen and living area. The kitchen's great, it has full-size stove, full-size microwave, refrigerator, and a pretty deep sink. Also having an island is great too because it gives you a place where you could put extra pots and pans, cut your vegetables, and having the view that it does have just makes it all the better. Although I will admit, I think the layout of the room's a little awkward. Would need to do a little bit of thinking before I could figure out how the layout could work in with a couch, a TV, and all of that. So here I'm gonna show you the next best part, the patio, which gives you not quite 360 degrees, but a 180 degree view of both the Space Needle, stretching all the way out across towards the water if you look behind. And looking at the water, you actually get a great view of the ferries that take off and the Ferris wheel. So overall, the best part about this apartment, I believe, is the view. Being on the 24th floor, it's great. The downside is kind of the layout, as you can see. It's alright, but it is a little awkward, but it does give you a lot of space with the 2 bedrooms and the closets. Otherwise, I know this is a short video. I planned on making it more detailed, and I had more clips, but I don't know why I deleted them. It was my bad. Still, I hope you enjoyed. I was debating whether or not to upload this video just because of how short it was and how little information I could give you. But if you still enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below to let me know. I'll have a more extensive video next week and I'm really excited to share it with you. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed.